Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Blake Shelton is not holding back when it comes to Nick Jonas returning to The Voice. As announced last fall, the Jonas Brothers band member is coming back for Season 20 of the NBC competition show after briefly joining in Season 18 and departing ahead of Season 19.2 March 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ryan Gallagher. The Voice host Carson Daly shocked viewers last Monday night when he announced that Ryan Gallagher was leaving the show. The 31-year-old contestant had been a standout classical singer on Kelly Clarkson's team since the beginning of Season 19.6 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Why is Nick Jonas leaving The Voice? Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, Gwen's Vegas residency ended early, 2 days before filming on The Voice began. Gwen has a personal connection to the show, of course, as she's dating Blake Shelton, who is the longest-serving judge on the series. 30 March 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.